In this video, I'll show you how to edit an image in Midjourney. First, open your web browser and go to the Midjourney website. Sign into your account, then open the image you want to edit from your gallery or create a new image if you haven't already. Next, click on the image to open it in the editor. You'll find several editing options that let you refine or modify the generated image without starting from scratch. Now, choose the editing tool you want to use. You can edit your prompt to change the style or content, create new variations, use the available region editing tools to modify specific parts of the image, or expand the image using the available canvas options. After that, enter your updated prompt or make the adjustments you want, then click Generate to apply the changes. Midjourney will create a new version of the image based on your edits while preserving as much of the original image as possible. Finally, review the updated image. If you'd like to make additional changes, repeat the editing process until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with the final version, click Download to save the image to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit an image in Midjourney. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.